I'm going to do one real quick last question with you because I know you talk about the older generation. You're not there yet, but eventually you will be.
Yeah.
Where do you see the technology going? Because you seem to be so far ahead of it yourself and with the Neurological Center. Where are you seeing this in 10 years or even 20 years when it comes to dealing with this type of case?
I think further detailing the genetic profiles of tumors and then individually genetically matching people to the best treatment with their tumor. So being able to personalize it even more, which we're already doing as we frailty screen and look at people's overall health status, but then the genetics of the tumors, finding the best individual treatment for each person, which even in 10, 15 years since I finished training, we've already come a really long way. I mean, I have a lecture for the medical students where I happen to have a friend and then who had a brain tumor, and then there was another person in his neighborhood that got one at the same time, and they both were told, one of them was a young mother with like 4 or 5 children, was told she was gonna live like, only 2 years. He was told he was gonna live many years, and this is before the genetics kinda changed back in 2016, and so the old classification system didn't let you prognosticate very well. Now with
Wow.
genetics, it was actually the opposite, like, he didn't only lived a couple of years, and she's actually went on many years despite it being flipped because the old system wasn't always the best at predicting outcomes, and so they needed to redo it all, which WHO did, because if you can't prognosticate accurately with your classification schema, what's the point of it? And so the genetics have really helped us give much better advice to patients, which if you can't live forever because you've had, in this case, you have a cancer, that's one thing, but to not get good advice about how long you have or have accurate
Right.
information is another really important part of it. So I think we're just going to see that more and more into the future is being able to individualize treatments and hopefully work towards a cure. That's what we're always are hoping for.